ओडिया एजुकेशन ट्यूटोरियल चैनल ले आपण मानक स्वागत। आज आम क्लास 10 थर्ड प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 10 सेकेंड लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट 1 रो क्वेश्चन गुड़ाक उत्तर आलोचना करिबा। थर्ड प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट रो क्वेश्चन 1 होची हु इज द पोएम ऑल थिंग्स ब्राइट एंड ब्यूटीफुल कंपोज्ड बाय। ऑप्शन अच्छी ए रे सरोजिनी नायडू, बी रे अच्छी डॉक्टर रीता एस मानी, सी रे अच्छी CF अलेक्जेंडर, डी रे अच्छी विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ। यार राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी। ऑप्शन सी रे अच्छी CF अलेक्जेंडर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 व्हाई हैज गॉड गिवन अस लिव्स। ऑप्शन अच्छी टू लुक ब्यूटीफुल, टू टॉक विथ अदर्स, टू सिंग सॉन्ग्स, टू टेल दैट गॉड इज ऑलमाइटी। राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी। ऑप्शन डी अच्छी टू टेल दैट गॉड इज ऑलमाइटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 व्हाट आर दी हेब्राइड्स। ऑप्शन ए अच्छी ए नंबर ऑफ विलेज, बी रे अच्छी ए ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, सी रे अच्छी दी डेजर्ट ऑफ द मिडिल ईस्ट, डी रे अच्छी ए ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड्स टू द नॉर्थ वेस्ट ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड। ऑप्शन डी हूँ यार राइट आंसर ए ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड्स टू द नॉर्थ वेस्ट ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 where did the poet bear the music। ऑप्शन ए रही in his heart, in his mind, in his soul, in his head। यार सठिक आंसर हम ऑप्शन ए in his heart। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 in which season is the thrilling voice of the cuckoo bird heard। ऑप्शन ए होची समर, ऑप्शन बी रे ऑटम, ऑप्शन सी रे स्प्रिंग, ऑप्शन डी होची विंटर। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी स्प्रिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 whose voices are calling the honey child। ए रे अच्छी मदर्स, बी लवर्स, सी रे अच्छी कोयल्स, डी रे अच्छी फेयरी फॉक्स। राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी फेयरी फॉक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 where are the bridal robes। ऑप्शन ए in the forest, ऑप्शन बी in the river islands, ऑप्शन सी in the loam, ऑप्शन डी in the hearth। राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी in the loam। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 where is Vicky's brain। ऑप्शन ए अच्छी in a formalin jar, बी रे अच्छी in a formalin bottle, ऑप्शन सी अच्छी in his head, डी रे अच्छी in a water bottle। राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए in a formalin jar। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 who did Vicky adore। ऑप्शन ए रे अच्छी his father, बी रे अच्छी his mother, सी रे अच्छी his grandfather, डी अच्छी his grandmother। राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी his grandmother। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 what were Vicky's domain। ऑप्शन ए रे अच्छी कंप्यूटर्स एंड मैथ्स, बी रे अच्छी कंप्यूटर्स एंड साइंस, सी रे अच्छी कंप्यूटर्स एंड इंग्लिश, डी अच्छी साइंस एंड मैथ्स। यार राइट आंसर होची कंप्यूटर्स एंड मैथ्स, ऑप्शन ए। ऑप्शन ए नवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 Lenchos corn was totally destroyed by dash। the flood, the storm, the hailstorm, the locust। राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी the hailstorm। क्वेश्चन 12 what was the single hope for Lencho after his corn was totally destroyed? Option A ଅଛି help from the postmaster, B ରେ ଅଛି help from his friends, C ରେ ଅଛି help from the government, D ଅଛି help from God. Right answer ହେଉଛି option D, help from God. Question number 13. What was the postmaster like? Option A ରେ ଅଛି a fat and amiable, tall and amiable, short and amiable, fat and impolite. Right answer ହେବ option A, fat and amiable. Question 14. What did Gandhiji jealously guard in his school days? His handwriting, his money, his character, his teachers. Option C ହେଉଛି right answer, his character. Question number 15. In which standard did Gandhiji obtain the scholarship of 4 rupees? Option A ହେଉଛି second, B ହେଉଛି fifth, C ହେଉଛି sixth, D ରେ ଅଛି seventh. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ B, fifth. Question number 16. The genius of which subject tempted Gandhiji? Sanskrit, Persian, Science, Mathematics. Right answer ହେବ Persian, option B. Question number 17. Which subject was also commenced from the 4th standard in Gandhiji's school? Option A ଅଛି Science, B ହେଲା Mathematics, C English, D Sanskrit. Right answer ହେଉଛି option D, Sanskrit. Question number 18. Which Bihu marks the start of a new year in Assam? Rangoli, Kongal, Bhagali, Kati. Right answer ହେଉଛି option A, Rangoli. Question number 19. Which festival is named after a bird? Losung, Hornbill, Cherowa, Wangela. Right answer ହେଉଛି option B, Hornbill. Question number 20. Cham dance is performed during the celebration of which festival? Mopin, Mastu, Losung, Losar. Right answer ହେଉଛି option C, Losung. Question number 21. How long was Timothy when he was discovered by grandfather? Right answer ହେବ option D, about 18 inches. Question number 21 ର option D ହେବ right answer. 22. Please continue your conversation. Who said this? Grandfather, grandmother, Muhammad, the zookeeper. Right answer ହେବ option D, zookeeper. Question number 23. How did grandfather walk out of the zoo? Carefully, carelessly, briskly, slowly. Right answer ହେବ option C, briskly. Question number 24. How many kopecks did the beggar need for a lodging? 5, 10, 15, 35. Right answer ହେଉଛି option A, 5 kopecks. Question number 25. How did Olga glance at her companion? Faithfully, carefully, wrathfully, beautifully. Right answer ହେଉଛି option C, wrathfully. Who does the expressions the waif refer to in the story The Beggar? Option A ଅଛି Sergei, B ରେ ଅଛି Olga, C ହେଲା The Beggar, D ହେଉଛି The Storyteller. Right answer ହେବ option C, The Beggar. Question number 27. How did Luskov pay for a seat in the gallery? In kopecks, in paper notes, in gold coins, in copper coins. Right answer ହେଉଛି option D, in copper coins. Question number 28. Who was named the chief judge to decide the case of Jumon's aunt? Option ରେ ଅଛି ଅଲଗୁ ଚୌଧୁରୀ, ଜୁମନ, କାରିମାନ, शामछु साहू यार राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए अलगू चौधरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 लॉन्ग लिव द गॉड दैट इज द पंच हु टोल्ड दिस जुमन कारिमान जुमन सांठ अलगू चौधरी यार राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी जुमन आंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 व्हाई वाज अलगू चौधरी इनिशियली reluctant to be the punch ऑप्शन ए अछि he was afraid of जुमन बी रे अछि he disliked जुमन्स aunt सी रे अछि he thought himself unfit for the position ऑप्शन डी अछि he and जुमन were close friends यार राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन डी he and जुमन were close friends। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 my uncle who is a judge तले अंडरलाइन करा है is coming here tomorrow the underlined portion in is a dash जो अंडरलाइन करा है अंडरलाइन portion is a dash clause ऑप्शन ए रे अछि नाउन क्लॉज एडवर्ब क्लॉज डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज नॉन डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 the word resolution in a letter to God means a firm decision mental satisfaction friendly relation डी होची pleasant situation राइट आंसर होची a firm decision ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 an extremely strong wind is called dash tornado typhoon gale cyclone right answer is C option C gale। human wants are not limited 34 क्वेश्चन नंबर human wants are not limited तले गार दिया है और अंडरलाइन करा है the single word for the underlined expression is dash limitless unlimited unlimited ऑप्शन बी होची हारो राइट आंसर अनलिमिटेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 नम्रता पोस्टेड द लेटर आफ्टर सी डैश इट wrote ऑप्शन ए होची wrote ऑप्शन बी written ऑप्शन सी होची has written ऑप्शन डी had written राइट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन डी had written नम्रता पोस्टेड द लेटर आफ्टर he had written it। क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 crops would have been better if it dash well rains rained has rained had rained right answer habo option D crops would have been better if it had rained well option D is the right answer। Question number 37 charities are exempted dash paying tax of or double f of from to right answer hochi from charities are exempted from paying tax। Question number 38 the single word for the habits traditions and beliefs of a country is option hochi custom culture heritage practice right answer habo option B culture। Question number 39 people pray the god to dash evil spirits drive out drive away drive off क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 रो राइट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन बी ड्राइव अवे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 जूस इज मेड डैश फ्रूट ऑप्शन ए रे ऑफ ऑप्शन बी रे ओ डबल एफ ऑफ सी रे फ्रॉम ऑप्शन डी रे होची इन एरा राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी। व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग imperative sentences expresses suggestion have a smooth journey option B rachi have mercy on us option C rachi let's go on a picnic option D rachi respect your elders right answer habo option C let's go on a picnic। Question number 42 this book has made the author famous the pattern of this declarative sentence is को pattern रे अछि ऑप्शन ए रछि SVO SVC SVOO SVOC एर राइट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन डी सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट SVOC। क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 a herd of elephants dash seen in the jungle yesterday a herd of elephants dash seen एर ऑप्शन ए अछि is B रे अछि are C रे अछि was डी रे अछि वेयर यार राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी ए herd of elephants was C option C seen in the jungle yesterday. Question number 44. Pick out the sentence which is grammatically incorrect. Grammatically incorrect को sentence अछि ताको बाछि के लिखबा. Option A अछि the teacher with all his students has come. Option B अछि either of the boys has got a prize. Option C अछि neither of them has come. D अछि none of the students have arrived yet. None of the students have arrived yet. The right answer habo option D. Question number 45. He is watching the news dash television. Option A अछि on, B अछि in, C अछि by, D अछि from. The right answer अछि option A on. 46. Question number 46. He agreed dash my proposal. Option A अछि on, B अछि with, C अछि in, D अछि to. 46 रो right answer हबो option D 2. He agreed to my proposal. Question number 47. I have no objection to what he says. What he says तले underline करा है the underlined person is a noun clause working as dash. I have no objection to what he says. Object of verb object of verb रहला option A रे. Option B होची complement of a verb. C होची subject of a verb. D रहला object of a preposition. Right answer हबो option D object of a preposition. Question number 48. People followed him wherever he went. Underline अछि wherever he went. The underlined person is an adverb clause of dash, time, place, manner, purpose. It is a adverb clause of place. So option B is right answer. Question number 49. People say that he was an honest officer. Its passive form is dash. यार passive form कौन हबो? Option A रे जो रही it is said that it is an honest officer. Option B रे रही it was said that he was an honest officer. Option C रे रही he is said to have been an honest officer. Option D रे रही he is said to be an honest officer. 49 option B have right answer. It was said that he was an honest officer. Question number 50. He said to me, consult a doctor immediately. The sentence can be reported as reported speech रे लिखले sentence टी कोन हबो. Option A रची he advised to me to consult a doctor immediately. Option B रची he advised me consult a doctor immediately. C रची he advised me to consult a doctor immediately. Option D रची he asked to me to consult a doctor immediately. The right answer हबो option C. He advised me to consult a doctor immediately. एतिकी थिला पार्ट 1 बा ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप प्रश्नर उत्तर जोड़ा आम आलोचना कलु. वीडियोटी को शेष पर्यंत देखिथिबारु अनेक अनेक धन्यवाद एवं वीडियोटी को लाइक शेयर कमेंट करिवे. धन्यवाद.